What are the pros and the cons of living on the Ossington Strip, which was named one of the coolest streets in the world? Let's find out right now. Hey, it's Amanda here with the Moving to Toronto team. If you're thinking about moving to Toronto or the surrounding suburbs, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now so that you're the first to know about the current market here in Toronto. We love helping people just like you who are looking to move to Toronto. So whether that's in 9 days or 90 days, reach out to us. All of our contact information is down below. In today's video, we're specifically going to focus on the southwest part of this neighborhood where the Ossington Strip is located, and we will be discussing what are the pros and the cons of living in this neighborhood. So let's get straight into the list. This neighborhood is a food lover's paradise, offering a wide range of dining experiences that cater to all tastes and preferences. So whether you are in the mood for a casual brunch, an upscale dinner, or a quick coffee break, the Ossington Strip has you covered. And don't forget the food markets and the food trucks sometimes pop up around the Ossington Strip. They offer a wide range of street food and snacks, perfect for when you're on the go or just want to try something new. If you have a sweet tooth and love ice cream, there is a very popular spot here called the Bang Bang, just right over here. It is a favorite here on Ossington. You want to stay tuned to the channel because I actually featured this spot in the video that will be coming out very soon. So hit that subscribe button now if you want to see what I got here and want to see the experience that I had here at this location. One of the biggest considerations when thinking about moving to the Ossington Strip and the Trinity Bellwoods area is the cost of living in general. The desirability of this vibrant neighborhood has driven up the property values and rental prices, making it one of the more expensive places to live in the city. Let's dive into what that means for prospective residences. First, let's talk about the property values. The average price in this neighborhood is about $1.5 million, which is higher than the city average, which at the moment is $1.1 million. This includes all housing options, whether home, townhouse, or condos. Renters are not excluded from these high costs. The rental market here is very competitive, with one-bedroom apartments averaging about $2,500 per month and a two-bedroom unit exceeding $3,500 per month. The Ossington Strip is home to a diverse range of nightclub spots, each offering its own unique atmosphere. So whether you are a night owl or just love looking for a nice evening out, this neighborhood has something to offer you. You can also find clubs, bars, and lounges here on this street. A big bonus to the nightlife here is that the Ossington Strip offers plenty of late night dining options for when you are tired and hungry from dancing the night away. One of the noble cons of living in the Ossington Strip and the Trinity Bellwoods area in general is the crowds and the noise. The Ossington Strip is a very popular destination for both locals and tourists alike. The numerous cafes, restaurants, shops, and nightlife spots attract a big stream of visitors throughout the day and night. This constant influx of people can lead to crowded sidewalks and busy public spaces, especially during peak hours like weekends and evenings. While this energy can be exciting, it can also feel overwhelming if you prefer quieter environments. Another issue is the noise levels. With high levels of foot traffic activity, it often means louder noise. So music from bars, chattering from outside patios, and the general hustle bustle of this area is going to be very loud. The next pro is going to be the shopping scene here on Ossington Strip. There are so many different stores here in this area, from unique boutiques and vintage treasures to artsy goods and local markets. This neighborhood truly offers a one-of-a-kind shopping experience like no other. One of the cons is going to be the parking. The high volume of visitors is one of the major contributing factors when it comes to the parking issues in this area. Finding a parking spot can be particularly difficult, especially on evenings and weekends during rush hour and things of that nature. This can be a major inconvenience for those who rely on cars for daily activities or for those who frequently host guests at their homes that live in this area. The next pro is going to be the events. Throughout the year, Ossington hosts a variety of events and festivals that bring the neighborhood to life, the biggest one being Ozzfest Toronto. Ozzfest is a pedestrian takeover of the Ossington Strip and a summertime favorite. Inclusive to everyone, even pets, it entertains the masses with games, street dancing, live music, market stalls, and more. You don't want to miss out on even more fun events that fill the rest of the calendar year here in this area. Whether it is New Year's Eve celebrations to block parties and pop-up markets like this one right here, Ossington is one of the most exciting districts for year-round entertainment. The next con is going to be the traffic. With crowds, of course, also comes more traffic in this neighborhood. In particularly, we have a lot of popular busy streets like College Street, Bathurst Street, Ossington, Dundas, and Queen Street West. This means during rush hour and on evenings and weekends, these streets are very congested. From big parks like Trinity Bellwoods Park to charming green corners, these spaces are vital to the neighborhood's charm and community life. Our first stop here is at Trinity Bellwoods Park, the largest and the most predominant green space in this area, covering 14 acres. This park is a true urban oasis. One of the park's key features is its well-maintained tennis courts, playing grounds for kids, and it's also home to a community garden. You also don't want to miss that the park also has off-leash dog areas, which is a favorite amongst dog owners. It is a great place for pets to socialize and run freely. So throughout the year, Trinity Bellwoods Park hosts a variety of community events, including farmers markets, outdoor concerts, and festivals. These events bring people together and add to the park's vibrant atmosphere. There are also other smaller parks throughout the neighborhood as well, so if you're looking for more quiet, peaceful green spaces in this neighborhood, there is smaller park options as well. The Ossington Strip and the Trinity Bellwoods area is a highly sought after area, and this high demand means that the housing supply is going to be an issue as more people are competing for a limited number of available homes in this area. The Ossington Strip and the Trinity Bellwoods area is relatively small, densely populated areas with limited spaces for new housing developments. Available land is scarce, and the existing properties are often either historic or occupied, leaving few opportunities for new construction. The last pro is the convenient location. One of the standout features of living in this area is the convenient location. The Ossington Strip offers excellent public transportation options. The area is well served by Toronto's streetcar and bus systems, which also connects to Ossington Station on Bloor Street, which is not far. And if you enjoy walking, the pedestrian-friendly streets mean that it's easy to explore local shops, cafes, and parks nearby. This walkable neighborhood is easy to get around. Within walking distance, you can find grocery stores, pharmacies, fitness clubs, and different clinics. This means that it's easy to run errands and get everything done. You don't have to travel far. For those who drive, the neighborhood proximity to major roads and highways is another major benefit. Highways like the Gardner Express and Don Valley Parkway are just a short drive away, providing quick access to other parts of Toronto and the GTA area. That is our list today. We hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, click that like button and leave a comment down below. Let us know what you liked and disliked most about this Ossington Strip area. And if you're thinking about making that move to Toronto, give us a call, text, or email. All of our contact information is down below. And if you would like to see more videos like this, check out this one next. And until next time, guys, see you around the city and God bless.